Hello everybody and welcome to this week's edition of AVARigs. This week is a system that I would like to say is pretty. But aren't all of these rigs pretty on AVARigs? Regardless, this one's special because it appears to be what the customer has selected to be an all-white theme build, minus the obvious black tubes and black board. But the cables are white and pretty. The best thing about this build, in my opinion, is the 8086 Intel limited edition processor, which is boosted to 5.0 right out of the box. Now, let's hear from the person that actually built this PC.
I built this.
Hey, thanks for the kind words and the introduction. Will he be back? The world may never know. Anyways, showcasing all of these components is the Thermaltake P5 tempered glass Snow Edition case and the ASUS Z370-E gaming motherboard based on the Z370 chipset. 32 gigs of G.Skill Trident 32 gig memory clocked at 3200 megahertz because nobody likes a bottleneck. Nobody likes a bottleneck. But ultimately, this is the beauty of our AVARigs systems because everything is very unique to the person that builds it. Now, whether or not this system was actually built with the assistance of one of our salesmen is completely irrelevant because this is the culmination of personal computer. I actually said the acronym. Anyways, GTX 1080 Ti is the graphics card in this system, so this is built for some pretty hefty gaming sessions, and perhaps maybe in the future, it could have a GTX 2080! Cooled by the NZXT Kraken X72 liquid cooler. This snow beast is going to be cool to perfection, including a Samsung 500 gig SSD and a 4 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive, and using Thermaltake's Lumina LED strips is how we get these pretty blue effects. Right now it's blue. It could be red. It could be white. It could be whatever you want. If you like our video, or all of our videos, make sure to click like and subscribe below to our channel for future AVARigs showcases that we'll have throughout the week. Leave a comment, tell us how we're doing. Appreciate the criticism, appreciate the nice things or the bad things you say. Either way, we're always gonna be here building. Signing off, Joe with AVA, and you have a nice day.